Transform your designs into profits by effortlessly connecting Printful with your Woocommerce store. First things first, we need to get the Printful integration plugin installed on your Woocommerce website. Log into your WordPress admin area, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu, and then click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type Printful. You'll see the official Printful for Woocommerce plugin appear. Click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. With the plugin activated, you'll now see Printful appear in your Woocommerce settings menu. Click on it to begin the integration process. On the Printful integration page, you'll be prompted to connect your Printful account. If you already have a Printful account, click Login. If you're new to Printful, you can create a new account directly from here. This will link your Woocommerce store to your Printful dashboard. Now, let's add a product. Head over to your Printful dashboard and click on Add Product. Choose the product type you want to sell, like a shirt, and upload your design. During the product's setup on Printful, you'll be given the option to choose which of your connected Woocommerce stores you want to push this product to. Select your store, and then you can customize details like the product title, description, and pricing. Once you save your product in Printful, it will automatically sync to your Woocommerce store, ready to be sold. When a customer places an order on your Woocommerce site, that order will automatically be sent to Printful for fulfillment, handling printing and shipping for you. This seamless integration means you can enjoy a streamlined dropshipping experience, focusing on marketing your amazing designs while Printful handles the rest.